Hi, it's Teacher Erica from Centralia Center West, and today we are going to talk about ABC in science. So we're going to talk about an acid, a base, and a C, which is a chemical reaction. So for our acid today, I have vinegar, and for our base we have baking soda, and we can combine these to make a fun chemical reaction that's safe to do. These things are in your kitchen and you can do them with mom and dad. But to make it even more fun, we have some little feelings, guys. What feeling is this? This little man feels like he's a little bit angry, and this one's a little sad. Mr. Silly. How many of you are getting silly on Zoom when you get the camera and you get up there and you make some silly faces? And this one, I can't decide if he's surprised or disgusted. Let me know what you think. So, to do this, we have our tubes, and we're going to put a couple heaping teaspoons of baking soda in each tube. Heaping teaspoons. If you have a tablespoon, I'm going to look in the tubes, and maybe I want to put a little bit more in them. I did it with my class yesterday, and we didn't quite have enough baking soda. And then, so we're going to look, and this is Mr. Angry Eyes. And when somebody is angry, sometimes we say, look, they're turning red, they're angry. So we're going to put 3-4 drops of red in Mr. Angry Eyes. And then our sad guy, we describe somebody who's sad as being blue or feeling blue. So 1, 2, 3, 4 drops of blue, because he's kind of sad. And Mr. Silly is going to get yellow. 4 drops. Did I count them right? I think we'll put one more, because I was talking and forgot to count. And then this guy reminds me kind of Mr. Yuck. He's like, ugh. And sometimes when somebody's tummy is feeling bad, that they're turning green or they're feeling green. So we're going to put green. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I think I counted. So get them out of the way. So now I'm going to take my vinegar, and we're going to start pouring some vinegar in each one and see what happens, because we have our base, we're adding our acid, and look at our chemical reaction. Oh my word, that's so much fun. We can keep adding a little bit more as long as there's still baking soda in there. Our blue is not super blue, is it? Wow, look at them go. Oh, it's coming out of his ears. And they're still foaming. If I still add a little bit more, they'll foam again. Today, the color isn't really good. Maybe I needed more like 8 drops instead of only 4 drops. Wow, I used up my whole bottle of vinegar, but they're still kind of bubbling. Look at that. And they'll bubble, and I don't know if you can hear it. They make noise. The little bubbles pop. Can Teacher Sam get the computer in there and see the bubbles? Look what happens when I lift it. It kind of, will they bubble some more? We can keep the reaction going. There's our color. Oh, they'll just keep bubbling. As long as there's still some acid and still some base, they will keep bubbling. And our colors are now swirling together. So blue and blue and yellow make green. And I see lots of add more green. I'm not seeing that our blue and our red mixing to make purple yet. Okay, this is one you can do at home. You can do it in a can or a jar and put red and make it be a volcano if you don't want to make the little funny face guys, or just put it in a jar and watch it happen. It's a lot of fun. Have a great day and have fun with science. Bye.